Welcome to my detailed review of TheWit Chicago. Formerly a part of the DoubleTree brand, TheWit Chicago has since undergone a transformation and is now under the Hilton umbrella following a recent renovation. During our 6-night stay, we booked a Spa King room, but were pleasantly surprised with a complimentary upgrade to a luxury Spa King 1-bedroom suite as Diamond members. Our total payment amounted to $1,424. It's worth noting that the hotel does not offer an executive lounge. Check-in was seamless and we swiftly made our way from the quirky lobby to Suite 2206. The suite boasts a well-equipped kitchenette with a microwave oven and 2 closets. The dining area comfortably seats 4, while the living space offers a cozy couch and armchair. Opting for increased space over a view, we were treated to a glimpse of the river from our window. The TV counter features several outlets, including an HDMI port, and houses the pricey minibar. The bedroom includes another flat-screen TV, ample cupboard space, a desk, and an additional armchair with multiple dimming lighting options in the room as well. The spacious bathroom features a luxurious single sink with plenty of counter space, a bathtub, which we didn't use, and a large shower with a well-positioned shower head for taller individuals like myself, 6'1" or 1'87". An extra closet completes the bedroom setup. Delving further into detail, the kitchenette provided essential tableware and even featured wine glasses from an Austrian manufacturer. Cutlery is also provided alongside a traditional coffee machine and an espresso machine with daily capsule replacements. A large fridge occupies space below. This closet is a bit of wasted space with its interior, but the larger closet next to it is very handy as you can store your suitcases here nicely. A closer look at the overpriced minibar. The minibar fridge is housed in the bedroom cupboard, where one can also spot the intended location for the coffee machine. Notably, the room is equipped with scattered power and USB ports, including USB-C plugs, a testament to the recent renovations. Despite this, I stuck with my trusty charging combo, the Zendure Passport 3 plug adapter, and the Kushu 3-in-1 charger. I made a separate video about these amazing products, link in the video description. Finally, the view from the bedroom was quite impressive as well. The breakfast venue, State and Lake Restaurant, named after the hotel's intersection, left something to be desired with its dim atmosphere and uncomfortable chairs. While the staff's service varied, the food itself was of high quality, albeit partially covered by the $18 food and beverage credit per person. The hotel's rooftop bar, aptly named The Roof, offers delightful cocktails and is undoubtedly a hot spot during the warmer months. Additionally, there's a spa and gym with a view on site. Among the Hilton properties we've visited in Chicago, TheWit stands out as a favorite, second only to the Waldorf Astoria, despite being significantly more affordable. Its prime location within walking distance of many attractions and close to the L train, coupled with a genuinely friendly and welcoming staff, including a standout employee named Tan, made our stay memorable. Though we encountered a heating issue in the bedroom, it wasn't significant enough to warrant a room change. Overall, I wholeheartedly recommend TheWit Chicago and would gladly return on future visits to the city. If you're curious about our unforgettable upgrade experience at the Waldorf Astoria Chicago, click on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Happy travels and see you soon.